Let's create an Instagram post from scratch on Canva. Super easy, super effective. Anyone can do it. No experience at all needed. So let's begin.
Hey guys, so let's begin. So we'll go to Instagram post because it's an Instagram post. So we'll be going here, head over to Canva and go to the Instagram template. So now there are two options of creating Instagram posts. Sizes. What sizes should you be choosing? So now 1:1 of course works for everyone, but there's a new edition that is 4:5. So depends on what is your requirement. Here I'm showing the traditional one, which is 1:1. That is the square template. So I will be choosing two products. So I've just downloaded one of the face washes, not very famous, like, yeah, pretty famous. So I'll just remove the background. Okay, so I've added these two. So it has background, if you can see, it has a white background. So I'll just remove the background from here. So BG remover on Canva is only available in the version. So you can just go ahead. There are a lot of websites. You can just create like a BG remover website. So you'll get tons of it and you can remove it free of cost. So don't need to pay anything here, right? I'll be adding a shadow to it because that's how it makes it feel a real product rather than, so दोनों में मैं लगाऊंगी. So we can just add it on the both image and you can even edit it. Just for example, you can change the angle. So I wanted this side so it looks pretty real. Same for this, I'll just working. So I've shifted the angle here. Distance can be a bit more. And I'll just so दोनों साथ में हम लोग ऐड कर देंगे यहाँ पे. So I'll just add the other one as well. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to put these position forward, okay, together. One can be a bit bigger, one can be a bit smaller. Let's not hide the brand. You can, it's just ऐसे कर लेंगे. I hope it's looking good. Okay, let me just adjust it. Yep. After doing this, we'll just group them, both of them together. Select it this way and group it. So it will not move anywhere, right? And then just turn it to 15 degrees, 16 or 15, whatever you prefer, and put it like this here. All right, so this is how it is looking, pretty real, guys. So ek aur bar I just wanted to, I don't know if I'm able to, okay, let me just see if I'm able to put the angles and distance. What I did is I was not comfortable with that layout. So what I did, I had this pink one this side, so I moved it that side, and now it's looking pretty good, right? It's looking like a real image, right? So I like it. Now next what I'll do, I'll select their logo, upload their, yep. Okay. Now again here also you can remove the background, it's very important. So this is how it is. We can just keep the remove the unnecessary things and just move it downwards here at the corner. Looks really good, guys. After that we'll be uploading a background. So you can select the background here, overlay texture. I like the first one, looks pretty good. So I'll just you can just move it backward, arrange it backward so that it's clear, logo is clear and the background stays in the background. You can change the color, make it more lighter if you want. If you feel like black is looking kafi light, you can go towards gray because gray color is there in Pond's, right? So you can add that and I can just make it, so this gray is there, right? So you can make it gray, lighter gray, a bit darker gray, so whatever color suits. So I think lighter one is looking perfect. I like it. Okay, next is the fonts, very important. So we'll just go to text click on the heading because we want the heading, right? And we would have to change this, so we will go to the font and change the font to extender 30. Okay, now I'll just zoom this a bit so that it's visible for you, and then I'll add a text. Let's take pure and simple. So first one would be the pure. Increase the size a bit and move it this side. Also for the color, so you can change the color. You can go here, click on document, and then there is this pick color. You can just go here and you can choose it from the product itself, so that makes it more real, right? So yeah, capital, everything in capital, so make sure you do that. Pure, and then I'll just duplicate this. You get this duplicate ho gaya, and then so simple can be, we can take it from the font, and again we can just pick it from the other one, right? So it looks good. So this looks good, pure and simple, and there is no and, so we'll be adding and after this. Is the font thoda, and then again tilt it to 16 degree or 14 degree, matlab exactly as this. Okay, so giving it a thought, I will just move it towards this font a bit more and just move it here this way. We'll just make it even more bigger and just try to, yes, I think now it's looking like the and is missing there, so that's why it's showing a bit of gap, but I think once that is added, it will look really good. So let's push it a bit up. Yep, that's it. I think it looks stunning. You can even put effects on this, right? So if you want this way, you can just put effect on this way, or else you can have this. So there are multiple options you can go through. Right now I don't want any. You can add this also. This looks pretty good. Let me just put the same effect here. Oh, what do you guys feel? I think this is looking nice. थोड़ा हम कम कर देंगे इसका transparency, इसका भी same. Like just for a depth, I think it's looking, I like it. So we'll keep it this way. It's this color to black. Okay. And then once we put and, so let us put and will be this way, and the font would be a momentum. I think that is the font. And then we will take the other color, that is the pink color. You can select it from here because we had selected it earlier. Select it from here, or else you can just do the same way to get it more accurately. You can just go hover over the product and you'll get the color. So this is how it looks like. We will change the positioning a bit. Effect, and we'll make it outline. Okay, we'll make it thicker. So I think this way it is looking really good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Really like it. Now we'll add more text to it because you can see the above area is quite empty. So we'll be putting more text to it. So I'll be just duplicating this, copy, paste. You can use it the same way. And you can put some other line which matches with pure and simple. So you just decide on the text. You can use ChatGPT and get it done. Okay, so the text is but effortlessly, and I'll put it exactly above simple. So this looks really good, and I've used the same color of pink. Now what I'll do is there are still empty spaces above. So what I will do is we'll search something similar to it. So here I can see charcoal. So let me search for charcoal. And I don't like the image, but this is what is coming for it. And for ponds there is nothing, right? I said it's niacinamide, so maybe we can put some droplets. So it looks fine. I'll tilt it the same way, same 15 degree, and then I'll click on edit. Again the same way, I'll create a depth from shadow, click on drop, and this is how it looks. And if you want to change angles, you can do that. For now it is fine. I'll keep it the same way. So for the next product, it is niacinamide. So I'll search for niacinamide and see if I get something relevant that I can add it in the picture so that both the product is mentioned here. So I'm just checking. I'm not getting that much good image. So this is also I don't like. Even if I put, it looks very off, so I will remove this. Before I add any more element, I'll just group all this so that everything stays together, because I did a lot of mehnat here. So yeah, let it be at one place, and then it looks pretty good. Still, I was feeling like niacinamide, we can add something, maybe the texture of the cream or something like that. So let me search for texture. I'll search for texture here, and you can put something else like a skincare thing so that you get something relevant to it. Okay, so I like this. So let's put this and see how it looks. And it looks pretty good. Of course, not covering the text, but placing it very well somewhere. I like this. Let me see if I get some better images. I like this one as well, so I'll upload it here. Of course, I need to put some depth. It doesn't look very much, like the depth is not there. I even like this one, but it looks very unorganized, so I might remove it. I like this one only, so I'll be using this and just flip it other way, and I can put it somewhere that it matches. Now I will just use this one. I like this one, like droplets I can keep. It's not droplets, like dots. I can just keep 3 and just lower the size. Yeah, this gives me good, vibe up across. And I don't like this, I'll just remove it. And I think this much is simple, and less is more, sometimes. So I think this looks really good. Let me know in the comment section how you like it. Also, as I told you, I need to add some depth to it, so I'll just go to again shadows and drop. Look at it, just gives like बहुत ज़्यादा real लगता है, right? So I'll be doing it for every droplet. Look at it, it looks good, and it looks like a charcoal, face wash. I have used it, so I know how it looks. So yeah, again, I'll group them all so that design is intact, not going anywhere. And that's about it. How do you like this? It took me hardly 15 minutes to create this, so it looks really good, guys. Let me know in the comment section. It's very simple to make, it's not easy. Canva is something that I believe is going to evolve and just make your life way easier. It's so simple to create. Last but not the least, of course, if you want to resize, as I told you, you can custom size it. You don't have to do the mehnat altogether. Just you have to make it into the inches, 4:5, and you'll get the latest format of 4:6 or 4:5. Just check it, and this is how it will look. You just have to adjust few elements here and there. That's it. It will hardly take you 5 minutes, and then you have 2 versions of your own post. I love Canva doing it so quickly. You just have to adjust everything, and like moving here and there. ज़्यादा कुछ मेहनत नहीं है. I'll just ungroup it and just do it in 5 minutes. See how quick it was. It just took me 5 minutes, and then you can just click on share, download the format the way you want. I would suggest PNG is the best version, and you can just change the quality whatever you need. So we have come to end of this video. I hope you love this tutorial, you learned something new. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.